Have you ever wondered how to make a friend in preschool, kindergarten, or first grade? Well, stay tuned, because we're going to show you how.
Cute Institute, you're clever, you're caring, you're cute. Institute!
Hello, Cute Institute friends. Did you see that? This is a window to my heart, and it lights up whenever I mention something that I love. And I love making new friends. There it goes again. Do you have a window too? Of course you do. They're called your eyes. Your eyes are the window to your heart, and they light up whenever someone says something that you love. Like, I know, bubbles. See right there? I saw your eyes light up too. Bubbles are a lot of fun, but they're even more fun with friends.
But how do I make a friend?
Well, I'm so glad that you asked. Let's go to our board and I'll show you how. First, find a friend. Look for someone who's playing all alone. Now, ask them a question I know you're all already familiar with. Do you want to play with me? Simple, right? You try it.
Do you want to play with me?
Excellent. And you know, not everyone speaks English. No. Did you know that there are almost 7,000 languages spoken in the world? Another very popular language spoken is Spanish. Let me teach you how to make a friend in Spanish. Ready? ¿Quieres jugar conmigo? ¿Quieres jugar conmigo? Now you try it.
¿Quieres jugar conmigo?
Excellent! Now let me teach you the same phrase in American Sign Language in case your new friend is deaf, meaning they can't hear. So what you do is start with 2 hands straight out, and now curl your fingers like there's something that you want, and now bring it in towards you. Want. Easy, right? You try it. Very good. Now let's add the word play. Put your 2 hands up. Bend all of your fingers except your pinkies and your thumbs. Now just shake your 2 hands. Play. Very good. You're doing it. Now for the last part, just take your pointer finger and bend it towards the person that you're speaking to. This is an American Sign Language question mark. Put it at the end of every question that you're asking. Now let's put it all together. Okay, so let's imagine that your new friend feels like playing. Now we need a fun game that the 2 of you can play. You can play this game anywhere. All you need is a ball. I call this friendship ball, and here's how you play. Stand next to your friend side by side so you're both looking in the same direction. Now, put the ball in between you and your new friend's hips and try walking together at the same time without dropping the ball. It might help if you put your arm around your new friend too. Okay, so are you ready to try it? Let's go outside for some fun. That was so much fun! But let's imagine a different situation. Pretend the friend that you've just met might be quietly playing on the floor with something. And maybe you don't have a ball. So here's another way you can play as new friends. Help a friend. Find something that'll make what they're already playing with even more fun. So let's just pretend that your new friend is playing with blocks. Well, you can offer to help build together. You can find a block that might be needed in the block building and hand it to your new friend to see if you can help. Yes! But then, it might be silent again. And maybe you're not exactly sure what to say. It's okay. It's normal. Let's read on. Share with a friend. Share your own toy to make playing together even more special. So you can offer to share one of your toys that would help complete the building design. Become friends! So what did our story teach us today? When you're first to be kind, you'll be friends in no time. So let's see that plan again. Find a friend. Ask, do you want to play with me? Help with something that they're doing. Share your toy. Friends. The end. Well, that was so much fun. But now it's so quiet. I have an idea. I feel like making a friend of my own. Want to help me? Okay, let's grab a sheet of paper and some markers. Now let's think. I think I want to make my new friend a baby dragon. Just because I think it would be so fun to have a baby dragon as a friend. Okay, let's get drawing. Oh, he is so lovable, don't you think? I wish I could squeeze him for real. Well, he is my gift to you because you're my friend. Let me put him in a special box for you. And I hope that he brings you lots of love and joy, because there's nothing like a new friend. Parents, teachers, if you found our book, How to Make a Friend by Cute Institute helpful and you'd like to download it for your children or your classroom, just head on over to www.thecuteinstitute.com and you can download it right from our store.
Be sure and catch our next episode as we read a secret message hidden inside this balloon.